So welcome along to another episode. You join us just as we've pulled off the A38 by Plimpton there. Come off the go up to this quarry. This is the official route into the quarries of this area. So you've got Limo, Headon and this titanium one as well that we're going to. So this is the official route up and back. Even though some people say it's the other way, it's not. It is actually this way. So it depends on what movement orders you got, but this is what they've agreed with the locals to take machinery in and out. So our movement order corresponds with that. So we're going to take you up and show you the route in. It's pretty straightforward. It's no dramas about it, you know, it's no tight spots, well, ish. It is a couple of tight, you know, when you get to the lane it does get a little bit tighter, and if you go and continue on up towards Limo after the quarry that we're going to, because the quarry that we're going to does come to, it does fall short of Limo, but basically you would continue on the road that we are on and follow it up through the bends where it does get a bit sharpish, and then that then a right lane. That then does become a bit more of a challenge to drive on then, and when you get up to the road, that road brings you out on, you can turn right and that road will take you on the left hand side into Limo, and then follow it down right down to the bottom of the hill across the bridge and into Headon right at the bottom. So, but they have been featured on other videos as well, them particular routes going in, so you can see them on my other videos. If I remember, I'll put a link up, or if I remember what videos they're on, I'll put a link up of what them sections are like. It's not going to be complete sections, but they will be featured into them videos, so you can see what the bends are like, and obviously if we do come to a stop, because it's not the widest one. If you're coming up with any big kit and you're going up towards Limo, I highly recommend you get somebody to just run in front of you, just to warn other drivers that you're coming up, because there's a lot of cars use that road, and we'll see for ourselves shortly, but we're not going as far. It's a little bit slip there, the traffic lights. You can go through left here and then go through the town, but of course if you're in a car, if you're in a truck, this is the official route, as I said. And just knock the heating down a bit because it'll get a bit warm in here, and that's going to be too much noise. We are taking a dumper in, as you can see on the back. It's a Libra TA230, so it's a tidy sized machine, now an average workhorse, basically the same size as what like an A30 would be, or a Bell B30. So down to this roundabout, and then we're taking a left. There's a car coming up on the right there, and he's going that way, so we're good. Things to note on this route in, there is, I have seen, and there will be, I wouldn't say no, but there could be, if you're coming in on this route, speed cameras. I have seen them in a few places, and where I have seen them I will point them out, because they're quite crafty where they are, and I'm thinking to myself, you know, it wouldn't surprise me if they've caught a few drivers where they locate themselves. There's a school on the right hand side here. There's something to think about if you're coming in with something big. As you can see, the time that we're coming in now is, our clock's a little bit fast. It's about 3 o'clock, So just a little bit tad too early for them finishing at the moment. We finish about 20 past. So we come down to this roundabout and then we're going to be taking a right in. So you can see that truck is more than likely coming the other way. And cheers, car. And they've come in that other way that I said that you could come in, but because we're wide and heavy, we've got a specific route that we got to follow in. So he'll probably, he was a lady driver, will probably be going the same way as us, but what quarry she'll be going to, I'm not sure. I very much doubt it'll be the same quarry as us. She'll probably be going a bit further on. There's a speed camera here. It is the old Gasco type, so if it's working or not is your risk, to be honest with you. But it is 30 mile an hour coming down here. Down to the roundabout. And then we'll be turning right then to make our way up on the B road towards the quarry. If you're following your sat nav, when you come off the A38, remember just to take the turning for Plimpton and follow the signs for Lee Moor rather than the junction before, where if you're using a car sat nav or a truck sat nav, it might take you through Lee Mill, where Lee Mill Industrial Estate is, where the truck stop is, and take you up through a road which is actually 7.5 tons, so you're not allowed to go through that way. Just remember, Plimpton, follow the signs for Lee Moor, not Lee Mill. I know it's confusing, and you'll be good to go then. So straight up here under the bridge. Past Aldi's, cross a little mini roundabout here, up to the next roundabout, and we'll be going right. This section here does get busy, especially at peak times, with cars coming down from the housing estate that we'll be going past, and obviously the housing estate in front, so it can get a little bit busy just by here. Something to think about. So we'll turn right. There's a spot to park a car in it. So this road coming in, there is a little shortcut that you can't use. Your sat nav may take you up on, which is we've passed the turning on the way up. I'll bring it up now. There it is, and it brings you out just by you, but it's not for us to use. We've got to come up the road and come around. So your sat nav might bring you up. This road is a little bit of a shortcut, but as you can see, it's very thin down there, and you don't want to be taking any sort of big kit coming up that road, let alone a truck on its own. So this road was going to take us past the quarry that we're going into, and it'll also, if you follow it all the way to the end, around the bends and up to the T-junction, it will take you, when you get to that T-junction, turn right, follow the road up, Limo's on the left, keep on following it down a couple of miles, and Heading comes up on the bottom right then. So as you can see, we've got a lovely day to take this machine off. We've got to go into this quarry. It's quite a strict quarry, this one. Everybody has to be drugs and alcohol tested. So it's something that we got to do when we get there now. There is a lot of local traffic which uses this road, which have got heavy right foots, so just bear that in mind, especially when you're coming through the tight sections like this. They do panic a bit. So we're going to Tungsten West Mine, which is coming up on the right hand side now. Like I said, if you're going to Limo or Heading, just follow this road down, and you'll go down the dip around that corner around there, follow it around, and then you work your way up basically behind all this. We'll be coming off this road now, so this is where this journey ends on this one through. If I am coming up here again and I am going up the Limo, I'll do a video coming out all the way through. But for us, this is where we're going, and we're not going any further. So like I said, just follow that road all the way. T-junction, turn right, and then it's on the left for Limo, and then a bit further down for Heading.